Hi everybody, today we have a 1993 Honda Accord. It's a 2.2 liter, 4-cylinder, stick shift. Car's pretty nice, the engine sounds pretty good, body's pretty clean. And the customer said they've been driving it the last few weeks. When they're driving slow, the steering wheel jerks around, it wobbles around. When they looked at the outside of the tread, they could see tread, they thought the tires were pretty good. And they brought it in to ask, what I thought about it. And I'll show you what I found out. When you look at the outside of the tire, just looking at it, the first tread, okay, you can see some tread there. But then when you go inside from there, there's no tread at all on the inside. The tire's bald. So we'll go back here from the back. That's a little better view when it doesn't have the sunlight in it. So all the tread's just completely gone there. And more importantly, tires are good for 6 or 7 years. There's a little number on the side of the tire, and it's a DOT number, and that tells when it's been manufactured. So it has some letters and some more letters, and at the very end is the week and year the tire was manufactured. So it's the 28th week of 2005. So that tire is 16 years old. And you see all this cracking and stuff around there? So this tire is ready to blow. And I'm glad that they brought it in and didn't keep driving the car around, because when you just look at the outside, when they're looking there, they see that line of tread, they think the tire's in pretty good shape still. When the oils are getting done or something's getting done, no one's paying any attention to the people's car. All the tires are about the same on all 4 wheels. So I just want people to know, if you're getting all these oil change places, all these, quick in and out service and all stuff like that, well, yeah, this is what you get later, 16-year-old tires, and it's a hazard to drive it on the road. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.